Hey, hello guys, and welcome back. Let's proceed with exceptions. So in this video, we'll continue to talk about exceptions, and also uh, we will talk about try and catch. Okay, these two words that basically are functions in that we use in exceptions. Okay, which is the word try and the word catch. And you'll understand in a minute what this means, okay? So we've learned how to throw new exception like this. Throw new exception, okay? And then we had in the case that the code was not the code had an error, we would throw an exception, okay? And we saw the error that outputted in the web page, okay? A large error, and also our custom message about the error would output it as well in the web page. So what I'm going to do now is just follow me and copy what I'm typing here. So type try and then open curly braces. And here catch, you can do the same thing, curly braces. So we will write some code inside try first. So try, let's say if, and let's type here num. And before try, let's create a variable num equals to 10. So if num is bigger than 15, do this code, else do this other code. Okay, so the code that we want to run in the case that the number is bigger than 15, which is not at the moment is 10. So the code that is going to run is in the else. But in the case that the number is bigger than 15, I want to echo, let's say, number is bigger than 15, okay, or something like that. And else, we will throw an error, okay, as we did in the last video. So throw new exception, okay, and in here let's say number is less than 15, okay. So now what we have here, this is a basic example of an if statement, of course, okay. So we are creating here an example. I've created an example, very simple for you to understand, but bear in mind that this is very, very useful for large blocks of code, okay, and to define errors when you need to, okay. So here I say I have this variable with value 10, and then if in case that the variable is bigger than 15, echo this, or else throw a new exception with a message, an error message, which is this one here. Now what I want to do is to output this this message, okay, in the case that this is true or is wrong, sorry, okay. So if this is wrong, throw new exception. If this is true, echo this, okay. For the time being, this is wrong or false, so the throw new exception will appear with this sentence or message, and to output this we have to type catch, okay, and curly braces, okay, we already did that. And inside here, let's type echo and single quotes, error, you can type error, okay. And in here, let's say, let's concatenate, oh, sorry, I forgot. After catch, you have to type parentheses, and inside catch, you have to type exception. And let's say ER, okay, for error. So this is a variable, okay, and what this variable it will hold is the exception here, okay. So what I'm doing here is basically catch the exception, okay, which is this one here, and put it inside a variable ER, okay. So now what I do here is echo error and concatenate, of course, the ER, okay, which is going to be, which is this message here, ER, and then as we normally do in object-oriented programming with objects, I have to type this symbol here, okay, and get capital M message, okay, and this is a built-in function of PHP as well, okay, that will get the message, okay, of the exception, okay. In this case, this is working like an object, ER, okay, but it's a variable, okay, and basically that's how we catch the throw exception here, okay, and echo it out, okay, using the catch. So let's see if this works. So save this, and let's go here, localhost exception, and there it is, okay. Error, number is less than 15. Perfect, okay, so it works perfectly. And now let's try and change this. So let's make this 16. So instead of echoing out the throw new exception, okay, we will see this echo numbers bigger than 15. So let's refresh, and there it is, okay. So you see that this is for this simple case, it doesn't have a lot of sense using try catch, okay. But if you're using a large bunch or blocks of code, okay, and you want to catch exceptions for each different if statement or block of code, okay, this is a very useful thing that you can use, okay, in object-oriented programming. So in the next video, we will continue to talk about this a little bit more, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click tutorials, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.